Hey insulators, we are in Katy, Texas, just on the west side of Houston. This is Anita and Jason. Anita reached out to me. They're starting this business out here and we're excited for them. Anita, how did you find out about us?
It was a referral from a friend of mine in the Florida area that initially had a different type of machine, and that machine wasn't doing the job as quickly and as efficient as the one that Barry sells. He got that one, started getting more business, being able to complete it faster, and he referred me to Barry as well.
Excellent, thank you. We were out here with you for a couple of days going over social media. You also brought in this beautiful trailer to start up with.
Yes.
How do you think this whole process has went for you?
It's been very educational. I think we both feel very confident that we can get started, and at any time we can reach out to Barry and his wife.
Jason, we went over the machine. What do you think? Is it a little more complicated than you thought or less?
It's more easy than I was thinking. Thanks to your knowledge, I feel more comfortable. I can wait to start this journey and keep it going.
Excellent. Now, we did something today that we usually don't get an opportunity to go into an attic that's already been insulated by someone else and pick it apart. Look at the good and the bad, and how do you think that?
It was a good experience. I feel more comfortable now. In the process of the insulation, I can relate for the job they are doing, and I can think with the knowledge that you give me in this process, I think we can do a better job with the help of the machine. And like I say, we're gonna keep it rolling.
Awesome.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Nice meeting you, Anita.
Nice meeting you as well.
And you too, Jason.
Thank you.
We wish you the best success.
Appreciate it.
Katy Insulation Solutions is a family-owned business. Their vision is to help the Katy, Texas community overcome rising energy costs. Their comprehensive understanding of the insulation industry, from the warehouse to your home, helps get you the best quality material installed in the most efficient and affordable way.